Welcome to the single most luxurious neighborhood in all of the Lake of the Ozarks. We're here at Casas Del Lago, where this beautifully crafted gym sports panoramic views of the 21-mile marker. This is Corey Franks with the RE/MAX Jason Whittle All-Pro team. And this is 1682 Torino Circle in Osage Beach. Let's go check it out. This near 5,000 square foot gym sports 4 beds, 4.5 baths, has a 3-car garage, and comes fully furnished with a 12x34 boat slip, all while sitting just a short walk away from the community pool. The main level has this fully collapsible sliding glass door that flows seamlessly out into the partially covered patio overlooking the lake. The lower level features a second kitchen, 10-foot ceilings, 3 bedrooms, 2 of which are en-suites, 3 full bathrooms, and opens right up to this fully covered patio with a hot tub. Thanks for following us along on the tour of this Casas Del Lago masterpiece. If you'd like more information or to schedule a private showing, you can contact us at 800-836-2005 or visit our website at jasonwhittle.com and we'll take care of you. Thanks and have a great day.